Indian High Commissioner Sanjay Verma is coming here. That's why we are gathered here to stop him. Actually, we all know India government is responsible for the killing of the Shaheed Bhai Hardeep Singh Nijjar, right? That's why we don't want any Indian officials to visit any of the Canadian trades, right? Because he is here, right, for the Surrey Board of Trade, and we don't want him here. We emailed them, we messaged them, but we didn't get any reply, and now it's happening over here, right? Yeah.
So please come. So this is a Indian state assassination, Canadian citizen Hardeep Singh Nijjar. This
Shame, India,